Hey everybody, this is Igor Lumert here at PCH Dent Repair, and today I want to share with you guys a little review of a dent that I had yesterday. This was a repainted panel. Unexpectedly, it was repainted. I thought it was going to be original factory paint, so I could use glue pulling to release this part right here, to release this crown right here. So I would use glue pulling on this part and this part with a pulling tower and release the tension in the middle so I can knock down that crown. Okay, being repainted, I don't want to use glue pull because that's gonna damage. It's gonna pull a piece of paint out and I'm gonna lose the repair. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did for releasing tension, because this part right here has a lot of tension, this center metal there, and that was created because the fender has a piece of plastic inside, and the fender, when it got dented, it kind of folded over that plastic piece right there. Okay, so it created that really sharp center part right there. So what I did, let me zoom in for you guys. What I did here was, I'll put the image here. I filled up the top part and the bottom part with metal. I pushed with the rod and a soft plastic tip. I pushed, of course, applying heat. You have to apply consistent heat the whole time. So I filled up with this with more metal. My goal is to make this crown here wider. So this part here has to be wider, a little wider. I'm gonna try to explain here to you guys. You can see here the crown, the sharp part. Okay, so the metal right now is like this, boom, really sharp. Okay, I wanna try to make the metal more like this, wider. Okay, so by pushing metal on the top and on the bottom really close to this part right here, to the center part, is gonna make that crown, instead of this, more round. Okay, by doing that, of course, when I do that, make it more round, I can knock down, it's gonna be like a regular crown. I can knock the metal back in, and it's gonna be, the flow of the metal is gonna be much easier that way. The metal is gonna be much more relaxed. If I tap the way it is right now, I'm gonna feel this is really hard. It's gonna break paint. I'm gonna lose the repairs. So I did. Hopefully, guys learned a little bit about it, and I'm gonna show you the process on the rest of the video. Okay. This is the process right here, showing the reflection light. You can see the paint almost damaged in the middle there because the dent was so sharp, and signs of repaint. This is what I'm showing right here. You can see the dent is a pretty complex and sharp dent. This is the process, a little bit of the process. I used a flat bar with a soft rubber tip to start pushing the top dent like I explained, and the bottom dent to make that crown a little bigger, a little wider. Knocking down from different angles, and after a few hours, this is what I end up with. The metal is pretty flat other than that little texture there. And I'm gonna show you guys why the texture. That's the plastic piece from the inside, and this is glue. That glue is really hard, so that's when I was pushing, I was end up having a little texture because of that glue, and I had to scrape off that glue with a hot whale tail. This is the final results here. You can see it's not perfect. There's little details there because of that glue from the inside, preventing me to do a better job, but it came out great. This is the final result. Saved the panel from going to the body shop. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.